What's up, guys? So yes, today is the beginning of the NCAA tournament, and well, let's just say I had to buy this. I just had to. Hopefully, I hit some gold today.
Didn't get ahead. Then it would set up a clash between Toronto and Florida. I don't think Toronto fans want Florida this year. I really don't. That would set up the Lightning, by the way, the other wildcard team, to go up against New York.
Well, they do not play about this right here.
I'm just looking at my chains, just really focused on us, trying to get to first place in the Metropolitan.
You know, they lost in Winnipeg Jets, right?
We'll be back soon, roughly where.
So beat the Winnipeg Jets. So Rangers.
Chains flying.
I'm going to give you $325 million reasons with HQ every day, but the morning buzz isn't long enough for that. Yours and early on the line, maybe need to
Alright.
think of his MLB debut, the disaster. And we come back with him both.
We have Cormac Ryan, North Carolina. Armando Bacot. We have Kyle Filipkowski. We have Miro Little, Max Admus, we have Ryan Kalkbrenner, Kevin McCullough, Aaron Bradshaw, Caleb Love, Kia Jackson, Wooga Papa, Cormac Ryan again, Simon Wilker, Regine Ellis, Tazen Chapman, Cameron Brink, Garwy Duel, Dylan Dessou, Scotty Middleton, Tyler Kolek, Brendan Garrison. We have Riley Kugel, Angel Reese. That one's a good one right there. And Milan Momcilovic. Alright, Still Venters, Santiago Vescovi, Paige Boeckers, and we have Xavier Booker. And last one. Spencer Jones, Wooga Poplar again, Justin Edwards, and RJ Jones. Well, that is it, guys. Let me know what you think. Who's your team in this tournament? Mine is Mississippi State, even though I'm pretty sure UConn is going to get it. But let me know in the comments what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.